So people have asked me, will the Alfa 915 handle a car wash? So I'm gonna sacrifice this just to see, because I've got a bunch. So if that one dies, I'm not sad about it, but we'll know. Here we go. Let me do that so you can see the antenna, and we will see what happens to the antenna. I should put it in slow-mo. There we go. Recording in slow-mo so we can get an idea of what happens to this antenna going through a car wash. I did remove my 2-meter 440 antenna, which is normally mounted there, but I'm interested to see if this thing slides in between the brush or what. Will the design of this antenna slide between the brushes, the bristles, or whatever you want to call them? It might rip it apart. I hope it doesn't, but I'm really just too curious to not do it. I've had a couple people ask me this. Is it dumb? Yes. Is it fun? Yes. Curiosity killed the cat, but satisfaction brought it back. Oh boy, we're getting close. I'm gonna keep wiping the windshield so we got a clear view of what's happening here. Anticipation of the brushes coming down on this poor little antenna that has served me well with good SWR, and many nodes have been heard with it, but I've got spares, so let's see what happens to this. Oh boy, there it goes. Oh boy. Oh. You know what? It survived the first round. Those things are gonna come back. It doesn't even look remotely fazed by it. I didn't even see it moving. Now, this may be different in different car washes, but at least for this one, so far so good. Here come the brushes again. that is terrifically gone. Oh my gosh. Castrated that antenna. So now we know the answer of why we don't leave our antennas on when we go into car washes.